The kitchen is gonna send out the food as it's ready, and we want your full order right from the beginning. So the pacing of meals is completely thrown off. I think a beautifully paced meal is falling by the wayside in restaurants, and restaurants that are choosing to do it the harder way, the more challenging way, having coursed things. If we order four or five things and it's going to be coursed, restaurants aren't doing that anymore. And it's frustrating because anytime a restaurant does do that, you end up having much better experience as a diner. You don't know which section of the kitchen is going to get busier. Let's say I ordered a salad and a steak and this and that, but the steak comes out first and the salad comes out way later. That doesn't work. So it was nice, like our server went through our entire order with us, told us the order in which things would come out, made sure we were okay with it, and it came out exactly like she said it would.